Hello, this is Lisa Martin. We're here today to talk about the formation of the solar system and the idea of accretion. Come join us. If you would like to model how the solar system was first created after a supernova, all you really need is a bowl with some water and some ground black pepper. So, to begin with, I'm going to start my water moving, and I'm going to carefully pour in the black pepper so that it's floating on the surface of the water, and that's really the most important thing, is to use that surface tension to hold your pepper. Okay, now we're going to watch for a while. We see the water's moving, and maybe you notice something interesting about the pepper flakes. I'll get closer. What do you see happening? Yes, the pepper flakes are starting to attract each other. Each pepper flake has its own mass. It's made out of a certain amount of material, and that mass is attracted to each other. So as it's moving in the water, and the water helps it move around freely, those little bits of pepper who are attracted to each other begin to glom on into larger and larger little packs. I'll get closer again. It's kind of fun to watch. And if you let it sit for a long time, you can see some pretty cool things start to happen. So this is much like our solar system, where we had, before it was formed, there was just a lot of stuff out in space. And all of that stuff began to become attracted to each other. And they began to form little bits, little planetoids. And during this process, our solar system actually started to begin to spin as well. That's not really reflected well with this model. However, if you keep watching, you'll notice that those particles are still continuing to move toward each other. So let's let it sit for a while, and then we'll come back and look at it later. This is 1 hour later. What do you notice about the pepper? Yeah, it's really clumped together, more than I even expected. So you can think about this as being similar to solar systems being formed, planets coalescing together. Thanks for joining us today, and go do some science.